ladies, and welcome to our fifth video lecture. Today we will speak about confidence and voice. First of all, it's important to identify in which field do you feel that you lack confidence. How do you feel about it? And what do you need confidence for? Okay, because I'm sure that there are a lot of areas in which you feel already very confident, but very often we just skip it. Okay, we don't even think about it. But let's identify some areas where you may feel confident already about. For example, simple things. Try to think if you can drive and listen to music at the same time. Can you do it? Now maybe you don't even think about it, you just do it automatically because it became an automatism. But was it like that at the beginning? For sure no. Of course it needs practice and experience. Maybe you feel very confident when you prepare your favorite meal. You became maybe top chef in this specific recipe, so you feel confident about it. Was it like this the first time you've done this dish? No. If you tell me to teach you maths, okay, I will mess it up for sure, because it's not my field, it's not my specialty. If you tell me to teach French, it's like a game for me, because okay, I have this background. But now, I can say this now, it was not at all the same the first time I went into a class and I was in front of 24 kids looking at me with their sparkling eyes. So for sure, to feel confidence about something, we need experience, okay? And we need to work on it. First of all, try to be more specific. In which area in your life you need to work self-confidence, okay? Second, it's very important to have faith, patience, consistency, and persistence. It's not by trying something once that you are going to gain confidence, right? You need to work it. Maybe speak more about it, explore. Is it about work? Is it about love life? Is it about maybe the way that you, speak about something in front of an audience, about public speech? What is it? In which area you want to work this? Also, pay attention as well on what do you think about it when this image comes to your mind. You are maybe stressed about something because you lose your subjectivity and you look yourself from the eyes of someone else. Very often we do that. It's true. And you may wait for an approval. Does this speak to you? Did this happen to you already or not? And it's very important when this image comes to your mind that okay, keeps you back, or you're saying it's stupid, how I do it like this, it's not correct, or it's not nice, it's not good enough, etc. Try to pause, breathe, and think. For the eyes of who? This is not good enough, this is not nice, whatever, blah, 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 blah. For who? Who is looking there? Is this you or someone else? Is this the real you? It's very important to have this in mind, because this makes us realize that very often we see ourselves from the eyes of someone else, okay? We are, instead of being, let's say, the protagonist on the stage and act and say our words, our speech like an actor in life, very often, what do? We lose our eyes and we go to the audience side and we look ourselves from there. This is a big, let's say, trap, because you lose your body there. Okay, so get your eyes back, look live in front of you. What do you have in front of you? And try to walk in the direction of your own life. Now, of course, all those things are very deep, and sometimes it takes a lot of time to work with ourselves. But this is why we are here, to start from somewhere, isn't it? Now, what is the role of the voice in all this? Why I named this video Confidence and Voice? Because I believe that we start gaining confidence once we find our voice, once we start speaking about what we want and what we really desire in our life. In French, voice is an homonym of the path. They are written slightly different, but they sound the same. Voix with X and voix with E. For me, once we are in line with our own path, our desire, this is exactly where we find our voice, and vice versa. That means when you find your voice by speaking what you want, you are also finding your path. Think about it. Also, let's pay attention on how we place our voice when we speak about us and about others. How do you place your voice? Are you shouting? Are you speaking smoothly? Are you breathing while you are speaking? This is really interesting. Pay attention to your breath. Are you breathing normally? Do you pause? Do you breathe? Or do you struggle? Listen to yourself. Listen to your own voice. What words do you use when you speak about the field in which you need to work confidence? Be gentle and humble to yourself. If you always judge yourself, how do you want to gain self-confidence? Remember what we said about acceptance last week, yeah? Working on self-confidence starts from within. First, believe that you can change the situation, and then put all your effort on working on it. Trust yourself and remember that everything is changing. Maybe now you don't feel confident about something. That doesn't mean that in 1 week you will feel the same, right? Now, let's do our homework for today. Let's get the practice. So, well, what I want to do today with you is to go from something general to something specific, to our target. Let's think about this question. What are your strengths? Let's start from here. List them and put some a little heart just next to it. How do you feel about your strengths? What are your strong points? Yeah, you're good at what and how much? How do you judge yourself? Do you put 1 heart, 2 hearts, or 3 hearts? Okay, take your time. Then, number 2, in which part of your life do you feel that you need to strengthen self-confidence? For this second part, of course, you can pause the video, do the first part, take your time, and then go to the next second, okay? You do it with your own rhythm. For this second part, I want you to draw a circle on your paper and put in there the words that are describing how you feel about that part of your life that you would like to work more, okay? Try those words to be nice, okay? Don't judge with a negative belief. Don't say, for example, I'm very bad at this. Say, okay, I would like to empower this part. I am good, but I would like to be better. Or, okay, enrich it. Yeah. This is very helpful, of course, because as we said before, words build our body. Now, number 3, the third step, think about what you can do in order to work this part concretely. Try to identify one action. For example, I'll give you an example. I would like to make better videos, okay? I don't know if you like my videos, but I would like to improve them, okay? What can I do for that? I'm not an expert, so what shall I do? From where to start? Well, I can ask a friend who is better at it, okay, to give me some comments and some advices. This is how I will work it. I will not, for example, be an expert of IT from the first day. Of course not. And for that, I have to be humble and sometimes be ready to receive negative feedback. But actually, if we think a little bit better about it, it's not negative at all. It's a blessing, because those comments, those advices will help me to go forward and work on this part of my profession and make it better, right? So this friend who will tell me something, this is not good, or you can't do it like that, I thank him, and because maybe he is capable of saying something that I cannot see. Yeah. So this is for today. Good luck, and I am looking forward to listening or reading your comments. Okay, see you very soon. Ciao.